Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see the how to create a chart in MS Excel. So first of all we have to know how to open the MS Excel. Go to the start button and here you should search the MS Excel. Suppose you are using the Microsoft Office 2013. So first of all you go to the Microsoft Office and here you should search the Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Okay, but here we will see the 2013 also, Microsoft Office 2013. So click on that and go to the Excel 2013. Whenever you click here, this workbook will be open in front of you. So first of all, before creating a chart, we have to make the table. So first of all, I will make the table here. Serial number, name, and then subject 1 and subject 2 and total. Okay, and then type two numbers 1 and 2 and select this and go to this square point and drag this. Okay, 5 records only I'm taking here, and then insert the student names A, B, C, D and E. Now put the marks of students, so 20, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now here 30, 40, 50 and 20 and 10. Okay, now after that we will see the sum equal, type sum, shift and bracket open, and then select the values which you want to add and then press the enter key, and then after go to the again this square point and drag this. Okay, so all student total will be come here. Now select this table. Now we will see the some formatting here. Go to the this border option and select the all borders. Okay, align center and then insert the one row and select this cells and click on the merge and center option, and here you should type the student records. Okay, then after keep it bold, this also bold. Okay, and then select this table and give the font color red and background color is yellow. Okay, so this type formatting you can apply on your table. Now after that we will see the how to apply the chart in Excel. Select this table and then go to the insert, and here you can see the chart group, charts group, and multiple charts you can see here. So here I am taking the column chart. Click on that and go to the 3D column. Okay, then select first one. Okay, so chart will be created here. Then after we will add the some elements with this chart. So come to the design tab and here click on the add chart element. Click on that. One by one we will add this. So first is access titles. So this here we will give the student names also you can give names. Okay, and then select this chart, and next is chart title. This is already given, so I am selecting this above chart, and here you can give the student records. Okay, then again go there and come to the data table and select this with legend keys. Okay, select and table will be show here. Okay, then after come to the grid lines, and which type of grid lines you want to show you can select. Okay, so here you can see the grid lines. Then after come to the legend, and where you want to give this you can select this. Okay, I am taking right. Okay, so here you can see the legends. Then after we will change the chart type. Select the chart first and go to the change chart type. Here I am multiple type of charts you can see here: bar chart, pie chart, line chart and scatter. Okay, different type of charts are here, and you can change. I am taking here line chart. Select the chart and click on the OK button. Okay, this chart will be changed. Now come to the quick layout and select anyone. So you can see layout will be changed of the this chart. Now color also you can change. Click on the change colors in the design tab. So I'm choosing this color, and chart styles also will be changed that time. So select this, change the color, and then okay, so like this you can change the chart styles also. Then select this, go to the design tab, and how to switch row oblique column. Okay, select this. So here you can see. Okay, then after we will see the move chart. If you want to move this chart to the new sheet, so go to the on that button, that option, click on the move chart, and here you should select the new sheet and click on the OK button. It will take some time. Okay, so now here you can see this chart will be shift to the new sheet. Okay, if you want again this chart to the previous one, so simply select this move chart and come to the object in, select this and then click on the OK button. So this will be show again here. Then after we will see the format. We will go first of all select this chart and go to the format option, and here we will give the plot area. Some formatting we will do in the plot area. So come to the format tab and click on the format selection. So this window will be appear. Okay, and then after go to the fill option. Here you should select the plot area. I'm selecting here plot area. Then after go to the fill option and take the solid color. Which color you want, you can select from here, this color palette. I'm giving red. So here you can see border color, whatever you want to color you want to give. So this is the border color. Okay, suppose I am giving white color. So this color will be applied on the border. Okay, so this is the plot area. This is the formatting in the chart. Then after we will see the how to apply the sparkline charts. Okay, so first of all we have to remove this chart. How to remove this chart? Select this and press the backspace key from your keyboard. Okay, so this will be removed from your sheet. And then after how to apply the sparkline charts. Okay, so first of all click here and then go to the insert button, and then here you can see spark lines group. I'm selecting the column, and then where you which data chart you want to see, select from here. So I want to see from here to here. Okay, and where you want to show this chart, so I have select this cell and then click on the OK button. So this spark lines chart will be added here. Now simply drag this, so this chart will be applied for the all students. Okay, now go to the design option, and then how to change this sparkline charts. So simple, go to the you can select from here in the type groups line. I am taking multiple lines will be show here. Suppose I am taking this. Okay, this will be show like this. Okay, then go to how to clear this chart group, and here you should select the clear and clear selected sparkline groups. Click on that, this will be removed from here. So we have seen in this video how to work with the chart Thank you everyone.